Hey Jason, it's Kristin Van Tilberg. I just wanted to send you a quick little video to tell you how much I love the campaigns that I got for Kartra from you. I am just over the moon. You have totally over delivered, and I just can't believe how easy it's been for me to get going on this new project and create a new website for myself. I love Kartra. I've been using Kartra for a year, but the technology part of it is so hard for me. And I just hadn't been able to even scratch the surface of everything that it could do because of this sequences and automation. And I just didn't get how to tie all that together. But I bought your big package with everything, and now I can see that my whole business is just going to be integrated, organized, and I'm not going to be losing business because I haven't been able to figure out how to make all the pieces work. So I just love this. I'm just thrilled. Your support has been great. I did have to ask you one question, and you got right back to me, and that was so fabulous to not have to wait. I mean, I totally love Kartra, but I don't know if you've put in a support ticket, but it takes a while. And to have your answer come back just in a couple hours it just kept me going. And there was so much momentum. And I just feel so excited now about what I can do with my business this year, because I'm not going to be spending tons and tons of time watching videos trying to figure out how to make all this stuff fit together, how all the pieces work and everything. And I just feel like it was the best investment maybe that I've ever made, maybe aside from just getting involved in Kartra in the first place, which I think was a great business decision on my part. So I just wanted to say thank you. I wanted to say I really appreciate it. And I want to wish you all the best in your business endeavors in 2019. Here's to all of us just serving people and making a lot of money in the process. Bye for now.